He made sure no one was watching, and then he picked them up. A few minutes later, Mom finished her food, paid, and left. Dad thought he would never see her again.
Mom wanted Rahel to start dating as soon as she was 18. Why won't she let me get to know somebody?
He mumbled as he cleaned up the lunch buffet and the rest of the tables before the dinner rush. When he got to where Mom had been sitting, he saw things that my mom had left behind. He made sure no one was watching, and then he picked them up. She had left a tip, enough for some pupusas ferradas on his day off tomorrow. And a note. Here's what she wrote. Hi, Danny. It was nice talking to you. I've been waiting for you to say something. I see how you help your parents here and respect your mom and your sister. You're a good man, and I look forward to getting to know you better. Here's my number. Call me, and maybe we can make plans to meet on your day off. Danny. P.S. I think your mom was testing me. I hope I passed. My dad was amazed.
She likes me. I have a chance.
His next thought was,
when did she have the time to write all this?
How do we get from there to me? Next time I'll tell you about my mom and dad's first date.
Muradat sihatat hitotat. Comprehension questions.
What did Danny find when he was cleaning up? What kind of person is Danny, Binyam's dad? What kind of person is Danny, Binyam's mom? What was your favorite part of the story so far?
If you want to follow along with the English or Tigrinya while you're listening, you can find the transcripts on my website. You might already be there if you're listening to the embedded Spotify audio. Tigrinlish short stories are produced by CrossGen. We hope to see you next time. Barak ma'alti.